Dreamers, it's Nova, and today we are doing something very exciting. We are unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the premium box. I literally just got it like not even 5 minutes ago from my Bell box. I also got my Melt Cosmetics order, which I was really excited about. So maybe we'll unbox that too. But this is the premium. I tried to order the deluxe, but it sold out while I was checking it out. So that's annoying, but I got the next one down. Never have opened a mystery box before, so it'll be interesting to see what's inside. I don't remember how many products are supposed to be in here, but we're gonna find out. I can open it. I'm out of breath because it's cold outside, and I just went down and grabbed the mail. Come on, there we go. I love the packaging. The outside box is really cute. Okay, so it looks like this. I'm kind of a little scared because I'm not sure if I have some of these things. So here is the top. So you get some stickers, which are actually super cute. And I'm seeing an ominous shape in here. I'm really hoping it's not the thing I think it is, because if it is, okay. So first thing on top is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Ice Cold. I don't think I have this one. I do not. So it looks like this. It's kind of like a whitish yellow, a little bit like on the yellower side. It's kind of like a swatch right there, really bad one. And then the second thing, which I'm really hoping it's not what I think it is. Damn it. It's another blue blood palette. Damn it. If you know me, you know I already have the blue blood palette. So I was kind of hoping I got the Thirsty palette, but I guess it's only really in the deluxe one. So maybe I will send this to my friend, or I'll just like message her and see if she's interested in it. I don't know what to do because I already have this palette, so it's like there's no reason for me to still have this palette. Okay, a little heartbreaking. That's a tad bit of heartbreak. Yeah, that's the blue blood. Okay, so there's that. I'm just sorry guys. This video took a turn. And then it looks like the last two things we have in here are the lipsticks. Ooh, this is like a mystery shade, but maybe that's the color right there. So, oh, it's like a stocking with a, oh my god, it's a stocking with a question mark. So it's like, it looks like this, which is like an absolutely gorgeous red with like shimmer in it, which I am so down for. Let's find out. What's this? It's not bad. So it looks like that. Definitely my type of red. I'm into more blue reds because I just feel like they look better on my skin tone. But so that was the lipstick. It's like a stocking with a question mark on it. So I wonder if it's like one of those shades that's exclusive to the mystery box. I don't know. And then the last thing is Purple Urkel, which looks like it's from the like summer collection from, I don't remember, a couple of years ago maybe. Also looks like a purple, which is kind of nice because, let's see, like what kind of, ooh yeah, so it's like a light kind of lavender purple. And I've been kind of doing my brows with like lipstick, and then I'll go over them with eyeshadow. So I'm excited. So this is something that I can probably use for like the beginning of my brows to get that kind of fade. So that's really cool. Is it matte? I think it's matte. Let's find out. So yeah, that'll be perfect. That'll be a good color for my lips and my brows. So that's what was in the mystery box. Yeah, I'm a little bit upset about the freaking Blue Blood palette, but it's like I already own one. You didn't know what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I literally own this. But as I said, I will see about my friend maybe wanting it, and because I have something else that I think she'd like, maybe I'll just send those up to her for Christmas. Yeah, so that's what was in the mystery box. It was 60 bucks, and it definitely, with everything added up together, there are 4 things inside. I think it does add up to be over 60. Like the palette itself is $52. 52? I think it's 52. If it's not, I'll put it like somewhere on screen. And then Skin Frost, I don't even remember the prices. But anyway, so while I'm like, I got time, this didn't take that long, I am going to open my Milk Cosmetics package because I'm very excited. And yeah, I'm just excited because, oh my god, look how cute. Oh, this box is freaking beautiful. Camel color tissue paper, so freaking cute. I'll leave you guys. What do you guys think I got? What do you think I got? Go ahead, tell me down below. I got one thing. I got the, what is it called? The Muerte eyeshadow palette. I want to get the Vita palette, but I decided to get that next week with my other paycheck, or with my next week's paycheck. Oh my god, oh, look how freaking stunning this packaging is. What? Oh my god, and then the back is so gorgeous. I have never owned like a Melt palette. Oh, it smells nice. So this is like my first Melt palette, and I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the colors. Like when I saw this collection on Trend Mood, or I don't know, Melt or something like that, either one, I was like, oh my god, this is gorgeous. And I love the Vita palette as well. I think it's called the Vita palette. I don't know anymore. Anyway, I saw both of them and I was like, oh my gosh, I need both of them. So I'll get the Vita palette this week, and this Friday is when I get my next paycheck. So I'll get the Vita palette and I will have both, but I'm really excited to play with this because it's gorgeous. And follow my Instagram because that's where I post a lot of my makeup looks. Yeah, I post more frequently than I do here because hello, I don't know, I have whoa, I just hit my camera tripod because I have a life, I guess, that doesn't revolve around YouTube. I have a life that I actually need to be present in. That sounds really mean. My job has been really busy and I've been working a lot, and I've been stressed out a lot, so that's what's been going on because it's Christmas. Stupid. Yeah, I could show you. I mean, I could make this even longer and show you guys what I got on Cyber Monday. I just feel like I should. Should I? Do you want me to show you what I got on Cyber Monday? No? Okay, I will. So, I got the Alien palette, which I love. But it looks like this. Yeah. And then I was, because it was discounted on the Morphe website. They don't sell it anymore on the Jeffree Star website, which is weird. They don't sell the Thirsty palette on the Jeffree Star website anymore, but they sell it on the Morphe website, but it's sold out. So maybe sometime I'll try and get the Thirsty palette, but I don't know. It never really had a color scheme that appealed to me, so maybe I won't get it, but I don't know. And then I went on to Miss Juvia's place and I bought a lot of stuff, but I don't know, I feel like maybe I'll show you a few things. So I got their like Black Friday bundle, and then I got a bunch of their palettes. I got pretty much all of their palettes that I didn't already have except for 2. Because I didn't notice that there was a second page to it, so I'll get those 2 palettes later. But I basically own almost all the Juvia's Place eye palettes. So I put them in a box, and I'm gonna try to show you all of them because I love Juvia's Place. Absolutely love Juvia's Place. And I feel like they're such like a good brand. Like their palettes are already like really nicely priced, and they have sales all the time, which is great. But anyway, first one I got was the Saharan 2 palette, and it looks like this. Also the packaging is pretty. So I did a look with this one. So I've only used it once, but I love the colors. The first 2 rows are shimmer, and then the ones are like red and orange and brown. And then I got the Queen palette, which is the collaboration. I also got the Queen gloss, which is I think in Fumi. It's like a gorgeous kind of, how do I describe it? It's like a black cherry kind of gloss. It's so pretty. But this is what this looks like. That's a palette I have already looked at. Then the Nomad palette, which is one I had been wanting for a little bit, which is gorgeous and like, fall toned. Just say it like that. Magic Mini palette. Magic Mini? No, this is Masquerade. I didn't get the Magic. That's the one I forgot. Which looks like this, which I love, is like half colorful and then half neutral. It's so pretty. I already had the Tribe palette, but I got another one. So I'm gonna probably keep that one in. I'm keeping that one in the box, but this is what it looks like. This is mine. And maybe I'll ship it off to the same friend. I'll ask her if she's interested, because I don't want to send her anything she's not gonna like, but you know. And then we have the Warrior by Juvia's. Look at that. If you guys want a tutorial, I was thinking about doing like a Christmassy kind of thing, like with because the colors are perfect for kind of like a goldy bronze eye. Let me know if you guys want to see it. I don't know. If not, it'll be up on, I'm sure it'll be up on my Instagram. Then we have the Warrior 2 palette, which I love, which is all mattes. Which is gorgeous. I just love all these palettes. I'm really bad when it comes to palettes. But I am probably going to go through my palettes pretty soon and declutter the ones that I just don't use, which is a good number of them, because I really should just start, because yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to see a declutter from me, let me know, because I think you guys enjoy those the most. Let me know. But anyway, we got the Warrior 3 palette, which is very colorful. I love. Nubian 3 Coral. Like that. And then I think this is the last one, unless, give me 1 second. Oh yeah, I used one of them today on my eyeballs. So last two palettes. The one I used today to do an eye look, which is kind of like a blue and yellow, it's not my best look, was the Afrique palette, which looks so nice. I love the yellow and I love the blue. Oh, it's so pretty. And then last one is the Nubian 2, which looks like this. I also, in the Black Friday bundle, it came with the Realty 2 loose highlighter, which I think is a little too dark for me. I'm not even sure it'll be light enough for me at my tannest. Definitely not my color right now. I'm not sure if I'm at my palest, but I'm definitely not at my, I'm not tan really. And then we have the Bella blush, which looks like this, which is kind of interesting because I don't normally wear blush that often, just because I don't know, I don't. And then we have the Tribe highlighter volume 3, which looks like this. And then this is what it looks like inside, if I can show you. Which I'm actually wearing in combination with Flexitarian by ColourPop. So, I love this. This is one of my favorite highlighters now. So that was basically me unboxing Jeffree Star mystery box, and then getting kind of disappointed, and then showing you guys the makeup that I got on Cyber Monday. This I didn't buy on Cyber Monday. This I bought on like last Friday. That's what I did last Friday. So because I've been wanting these, and I decided to finally just go for it, and I'm glad I did, and I'll buy the other one next Friday, this Friday, whatever it is. So, yeah. Sorry I missed a couple uploads. As I've said, life. That's basically it. I work like basically right now, full-time job, because I'm out of school. I will be starting school up again in January, plus I'll still be working because, you know, your girl needs that paycheck to feed her makeup addiction. But anyway, I'll try and upload when I can. I definitely want to do at least one Christmas tutorial or makeup tutorial. Let me know, guys, if you want to see the thing with the Warrior palette. And then definitely check out my Instagram because I post more frequently there. Yeah, and then I'm definitely gonna try and do a what I got for Christmas video. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Yeah, anyway, that's it. I'll see you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, and if you want to see like an end of the year declutter, kind of makeup declutter, go through my makeup and all of that, let me know too. Just let me know what you guys want to see from me, and I'll try and make it happen. Also, yes, I got a haircut, and I cut off my dead ends. My hairstylist, or the person who does my hair, is great. I love her. Anyway, I will see you guys, or wait, all my social medias will be listed down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye!